Today we will show you how to use CBS data mining application. We have target here, which acts as a filter, rows and columns. These here are calculations and operations. The dimensions we will use are here. So now we have nothing in the target, so we have 100% universe, which is 12,800 rows. So let's see how the filter works. It works like this. We drag the answer from here, drop it into target, universe gets recalculated, and now 15%, approximately 15% of the data is from the year 2018. Now rows, we will move on to the rows and columns, and let's say we want to see the volume for manufacturers in the year 2018, and this is done like this. By default, operation remove zeros is checked. Now we click run, and we get data in the grid here, which we can sort like this, and so on. And if you want to see the columns, we can also drag year into columns, click run, and we get data for only year 2018 because we put that in the target. If we put 2016 in the target too, then we should get two columns, and here they are, and these are the values. So we can also check both calculations, and then we will get two values for each year. Of course, you can nest months into years, and then click volume, and now you will get the data for, so this is not really seeable so good. So what can we do here? Because there are much more columns than rows, we can swap them. Click run again, and now we switch the arrangement of rows and columns. Let's make it full screen so we can see it better. And now for the year 2016, we get data for these months. As you see, those are all months from 2016. Same for the 2018, but with the last month being June 18, because that's all the data we have in this particular database. Also, we can save this analysis. Save it. Let's put some name, analysis 1. Analysis test 1. Save it with only me access rights, so only I can see it. Now we can clear everything here from rows, columns, and target. Calculations stay checked in, and let's see how the load works. This is the last calculation we created, and we are back at where we began. The columns, rows, and target from that calculation were loaded. We can run it again, we will get the same results because the database is the same. And that's about it for the basic usage of rows, columns, and target. Now let's create let's clear it all. Let's create a custom variable which will be placed in here. We can do this like putting year 2015 and 16, dragging it into target. Now we click save as a custom variable, click it here, name it 2015 and 2016. Of course, we can set access rights being shared for everyone to see, group for only that group to see, or only me. Save, and now the custom variable appears here. So this is the variable which we created, and you see universe is about 60%. Once we clear it, it goes back again to 100, and when we drag this here, we again get 60% because that's the same as putting 2016 and 15 into target. We can also use custom variables into rows or columns, so we can do this and put this into rows, and we will get the same values for this top node here and for this node here. So let's run it. As you see, we get 103,000 for the years 2015 and 16, and the same for the custom variable which we created. So yeah, that's what we would expect.